everyone, today I'm making mi goreng ramen. Mi goreng ramen is spicy, sweet and savory flavors, and the noodles are smooth and chewy. I'm making 2 servings for under $4. It's cheaper but super delicious. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. I will be making my video more fun with delicious recipes. So watch to the end. I have a very simple ingredients: mi goreng ramen, scallion, shrimp, garlic, onion, salt, pepper and oil. This is a hot and spicy mi goreng noodle. Liquid packet contains seasoning oil, sweet soy sauce, fried shallot. Dry packet contains seasoning powder and chili powder. Put noodles into boiling water and cook for 1 minute. It's important not to cook more than 1 minute. Noodles are likely to be mushy if you overcook. Quickly transfer to a bowl and cool down. Put oil to the pan and add garlic, scallion, and stir frying on a high heat. Add onion and keep stir frying for 1 minute. That's sweet from scallion and onion. Now I'm adding shrimp. Keep stir frying until onions are translucent and shrimps are half cooked. Ta-da! Here's my delicious mi goreng noodles. Smells so good. Let me try it. I can taste some spiciness from chili powder and sweetness from fried shallot. Savory flavors from soy sauce. Noodles are very smooth and chewy. It's absolutely delicious. Please consider subscription to support my cooking channel, and I will see you in the next video.